Welcome. In this video, I'll be showing how to use the BA2 Plus calculator to solve a break-even problem. For this problem here, we have a capacity of 500 units. Selling price is $85 per unit. Variable costs $30 per unit. And fixed cost is $68.75. In number 1, we want to determine the break-even quantity. Now, on the BA2 Plus calculator, we begin by pressing second and then number 6, break-even. And then second, clear work to clear previously done work. For the fixed cost, we input $68.75, enter, and then we scroll down. VC is the variable cost, we input 30, enter, scroll down. P here is the selling price, and we input that as 85, enter, scroll down. Profit here should be 0 because we want to break even. Scroll down, and Q is the number of units or quantity to produce, which we normally represent as X. So press compute, and it shows that we need 125 units to break even. In number 2, how many units must be sold to realize a profit of 10,800? So this time we're looking for a profit of 10,800. So if we scroll down, fixed cost is still $68.75. Scroll down, variable cost, price. But this time we want profit to be 10,800. So enter, and when we scroll down here and compute, we see that we need about 322 units in order to realize a profit of 10,800. 322 because we need to round up to the next integer. 321 will not be enough to make that profit. Number 3. What is the profit if 100 units are sold? So we want quantity to be 100. Enter. Scroll down. Our values are still in there. But we want to compute profit, so we press compute. And we're looking at a loss of $13.75. A loss because we're selling below break-even quantity. Break-even quantity is 125. Selling 100 units will result in a loss. Number 4. What is the profit if they sell at 80% of capacity? 80% of capacity is 80% of 500, which is 400. So we want the quantity to be 400. So we input that as 400, enter, and we can scroll back up to profit and compute. And that gives us 15,125. So the profit if they sell 80% of capacity is 15,125. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.